Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to change your Shopify email address. So let's start! Now, go to your Shopify homepage. At the top right corner, click on Account page. Now, go to General Settings. Now, as you can see at the Details section, your email address. Now, click on Update to change your email. After that, you can now enter your new email. Then enter your password. Then finally, click on Change Email. And that is how to change your Shopify email address. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.